bored. And we have time to kill. So apparently we're going downtown tonight.
My brother's awesome.
Going at some super truck. I don't know what it's called. But another Bigfoot monster trucks are supposed to be there, which are actually from here, so that's kind of cool, I guess.
I just wish he would get excited about one thing in his entire life. This is free. Because my brother's cool. Free parking, free entry.
We've been waiting on my parents to come home because they wanted help planting flowers. Like
for
Dad,
3 hours.
Dad made that joke last night, and Jess was like, "I'll help. I love planting flowers," even though she doesn't really sound like that. And now we've been waiting, and now we have other stuff to do, and I'm gonna get yelled at when I tell them we have other stuff we're doing tonight. But it's kind of their fault, so.
You can always stay and I have Josh pick me up, and I can go on my own.
I have 2 words for that, and I don't know if you got to see my mouthing of those words, but I'm not going to redo it. Especially when you're the one who said, "You love planting flowers."
I do love planting flowers, but I don't think planting flowers is going to take 4 hours. And if it does, you will have a heck of a lot of flowers.
Have you not seen the table out there?
There aren't that many.
This is what our day is going to consist of.
I won 5 coins! I've never been to a casino, don't judge me. I won 10 that time.
Now, I have a monster headache and I have eye drops in my eyes, so I'm not opening my eyes. But we're gonna grab something to eat real quick. We went to stop the store, got some like canned ravioli and stuff. I don't remember the name of the event. Something about super cross. I know we didn't know we were going until we kind of got told we were going, and a couple hours later we were there. So we were almost late, but we made it. So I'm gonna go to sleep pretty soon, so I'm gonna stop vlogging here. I will see you guys in the next video, and good night.